so heavy. My arm is gonna break off. Ah, what I got for my birthday? Woo! Hey cuties! So today I'm going to be doing a what I got for my birthday haul. You guys request this every single year and I'm so excited to show with you guys what I got. I'm old, but I don't feel old. I feel like I say that every year. Some years I was like 21 and I was like, I'm old. Like, bitch, shut up. Like, quick disclaimer, don't believe people that are like, I'm not bragging, but here's 100 things I got. You're bragging. Like, and it's fine because people want to see it. But just be honest with it. Like, girl, you're literally showing everything that you got and like what your parents got you, what your friends got you, and what your, I don't know, grandma got you and your coochie got you. I don't even know. But bottom line is you're bragging. Like, you're bragging about it. Let's be honest. They're like, I got this Rolex, but I'm not bragging. Shut up. First and foremost, I want to thank you guys so much for all the sweet birthday shout outs, all the birthday wishes. You guys are so nice. I had so many people take the time out of their day to either like make me an edit, say happy birthday, make like a story of me, post a picture on Instagram. Some people were like tweeting pictures of like meeting me in the past. Like, you guys are so nice and I appreciate you so much. I don't see everything, so I'm sorry if I didn't see yours, but I saw so much. And like my comments were flooded, especially on my recent like Instagram picture. You guys were just so nice. So thank you guys so much. To the moon and back. Mwah, love you. Okay, I'm gonna make this like as quick as possible because I know I can drag. I am draining and I can drag these things out. Okay, what I got myself, I will show you. My birthday nails, which are grown out a bit now, but they still sparkle and shine. Swarovskis aren't cheap, girl. If you guys saw my latest unboxing haul video, you would see, you would have already seen this, but I got this. This is a designer brand. It's a plate and a cup like this. This is a stupid purchase, but it was basically, I was justifying it because I don't even know why, because it was my birthday present to myself and it was pink and it's cute. This is by Gustav Westman. Like, I have no business with this, but basically I wanted it just for the plate because Nara Smith shows her food on here and it looks like revolutionary. Will I ever use this? I don't know. Maybe like in an espresso shot, I'm thinking in here, or like a green tea moment, or if I want to be skinny or something like that. I don't know, but this is what I bought. This one's the mini one. It was like $80 or $85. Literally buy. The bigger one was like over $100 and I just couldn't justify that. I feel like I should have just spent the extra to get the bigger plate, but it still is cute and I was like, yes, it's my birthday present, but I haven't used it yet. Oh my god, so stupid. Okay, now on to what my friends and family got me. Literally nobody needs to get me anything. Like, I feel like I'm at the age where it's like a happy birthday text is like will suffice. Not that it wouldn't have if I was like 17 or something like that, but my birthdays are more like just like think of me is like all I care about, really. So my grandparents gave me this card. I'm not gonna share some of these cards I've already cut up and put into my journal, but this one I haven't yet. I don't think I will. I want to keep this in my keepsake box from my grandparents. So they send me money every year. If you guys watch these, you would know that. And this year I haven't spent it yet, so I'm just gonna include it in this clip right here. Okay, future me, I bought this. This is what my grandparents bought me. I shouldn't say I bought it. They sent me money. This is what I bought with it. I think it is so me. Oh my god, I just got home with it and I'm so excited. So it's like this juicy bowler bag. I don't know, bowling. It's a bowling bag. I'm gonna go bowling. But it's so cute. I wish they had the pink one, but it's fine. I'll take the black sequin one. And then they have this. It's got this little gem here as well. And then the strap says Juicy Couture all around. I got it at Winners for those wondering. And this is what the inside looks like. I just got home with it and I'm so excited. Thank you to my grandparents. I will be sending them a picture and saying thank you so much. But this, girl, bye. Mwah. Thank you so much to my granny and granddad. And this card is gorgeous. And they just said, best wishes. Oh no, wait, I just said, I wouldn't say what I was gonna say. What the? A couple of my friends got me things. I was not expecting that. One of my best friends sent me flowers and a little balloon. She was like, FaceTime me. Like, when's Austin coming home? FaceTime me quick. I have to talk to you. And I was like, I think he'll be home in like 5 minutes. Like, that's weird. Because maybe she wanted to talk in private. So I was like, okay. So she FaceTimed me and I was like, what the hell? So I got it. I heard Austin coming in. I was like, okay, well, Austin's here now. Because I thought like she was like wanting to like talk in private. So we were talking for like 5-ish, 10 minutes. And then I hear Austin coming up the stairs and I'm like, oh my god. And I'm like, oh my god, I wish I would have filmed it for you guys, but I was like laying in bed here and I was like, oh my god, Austin got me flowers. And she's like looking at me smiling. He's just kind of standing there and he gives me these flowers and then I read them and it's from her. It's from her. It was like the sweetest surprise ever. Like, she messaged him and they like hooked that up and I thought that was so nice. They were these beautiful like lavender roses with like, I think it's called baby's breath, which is disgusting, but like anyway. I mean the name, not the flower or whatever it is. Beautiful. The arrangement was so beautiful. Like what? And then that little balloon, that little gnome, the heart, and then the message. Oh my God, I love her so much. So thank you so much, Steph, for the flowers, for thinking of me. One of my besties gave me flowers. Stephanie, look at this little balloon. They're so beautiful. So somebody else in my life, some people don't like to be mentioned in my videos. One, just for privacy. Two, because some people have like, you know, some people like sleuth and like will message them or find out where they work, or you know what I mean? Like I'm not saying it's happened with this specific person, but it has with people in my life before. Or some people just like to be private, you know, like, so anyways, somebody in my life took me out for lunch actually, and then gave me this candle here. This is by DW Homes and it's lava. I feel like I've either had this candle before or I've smelt it before, because it just looks and resembles so familiar to me. But it smells like, oh my God, it smells like, I've never been to Hawaii, but it smells like Hawaii. It's like suntan lotion, but it has like a cooling effect to it. Like, ew, it smells so good. So this is gorgeous. I love burning candles. So thank you so much to that person. Okay, I have to add this in here because my bestie surprised me with a present. I haven't seen him for a while, and I was not expecting him to give me a birthday present. He doesn't live where I live, so we don't get to see each other that much. So when we did see each other, he was like, this is a belated birthday present, but I was like so thankful and like shocked, to be honest. So what he got me, I was screaming. So first of all, he got me this Squishmallow, and it is the pizza one, and her name is Pep, the pizza one, and this will be so cute. It'll go so perfect with my setup. I love like little Squishmallows, as you guys know. So Pep will be there, so thank you so much, Chris. I love you so much. And then this, stop. I was like, literally I showed Austin, and Austin was like, that's like one of the most thoughtful things ever. So I got completely spoiled. It's this like neon hot pink, bubblegum pink, like my kind of pink. Chris knows me 100%. This hoodie, and then got it custom made to say, hi cuties, right here. Oh my God, this is so thoughtful. This is so cute. I can't wait to wear this. I love hoodies, as you guys know. I literally like live in them, as I always say. This is such a thoughtful gift, so thank you so much to my bestie. Okay, let's do what Austin got me next. My boyfriend, literally bye. He went above and beyond and more. I can't. Like, he did so much for me this year, like made me feel like an absolute princess, from posting me on his story, to good morning text, to good morning kisses, to just making sure I had the best day. He took me out for a beautiful supper. If you guys want to see my birthday vlog, I will leave it linked down below. Yeah, we went for a beautiful supper. He took me to this beautiful steakhouse called Carver. I got this gorgeous salmon dish, so good, and we got some appetizers, some crab cakes, and it was just so good and nice. But he also didn't have to do this, but he got me some other things. He also got me a birthday cake, and you guys were going crazy on TikTok, on Instagram. People were like, what? Like, literally the most perfect cake ever. This Justin Bieber cake with the Justin Bieber purple. Like, I was like, bah! Like, who? Like, I was like freaking out. Like, it was like hearts and stuff, like for me, like the pinky hearts that I love, and it said happy birthday to me, and Justin Bieber's face was on it. Girl, I was dying. I was gagged. Also, the cake itself was so good. It was marbled chocolate and vanilla in the inside with like buttercream. Oh my God, so moist, so delicious. The fondant was amazing. Bye. That cake alone, like, I was like stunned. Like, that was probably my favorite gift that I got for my birthday, honestly. But he did get me a card, and I've already put it into my journal. And then he got me some other little goodies here. These right here are batteries for the camera that I'm on right now, because for my older camera, I had spare batteries so that if this camera battery died, I would just pop the charged one in and I could just keep filming, right? With this one, I only have one, so if it dies, then I have to like kind of like sit downstairs or like sit and chill, wait for it to charge basically, so I can always not only have one but two charged, maybe one in my purse for when I'm vlogging and then one on standby here. So I thought that was such a nice and sweet and like thoughtful gift. He also got me this. It's a new charger, but for those batteries, but it charges 2 at once. Like, bye. He's like, vlog more. Just kidding. He got me this. Great minds drink alike, literally us. So it was this disgusting. This was disgusting. This no shade to him. Literally, he took a shot of this, puked. I'm not kidding. Like, anyway, so this, I had to like, I was like plugging my nose, but it was gross. It was a very dark rum, just nasty. But the bottle looked cute. Never had it before. Never will get it again. You guys know I like to drink. Get over it. And that's the only alcohol in this whole haul, for anyone wondering. So we had some shots one night. There was another birthday party of mine. Everyone hated it. But somehow it got dragged. And then the last 2 presents he got me, I was literally dying. I was like, what? Samantha! Shocked. Like, these are so thoughtful. This one here, anyways, I don't want to show it too much, but basically it is a gift certificate for a tattoo for my tattoo artist, or from my tattoo artist. Not from, it's from Austin, but it's for my tattoo artist. I've been craving a new tattoo for a long time. I really want something on my arm or something. I don't know. I want some like either finger tattoos or something on my arm or another face tattoo. Something like that. It's there. So I'm like, I have to go do it. He also got me I'm covering up the prices because I feel like that's tacky. Girl, if I find it's tacky, it's freaking tacky because I'm the tackiest person ever. But he got me this. It's legit where I get my filler from, and I haven't had filler for a while. So for my lip, I think I'm only gonna want to do lips next time. I think I'm over like the cheeks and everything like that, and maybe I've never had Botox here before. I don't know, do I need it? I don't know, but some kind of filler. Anyways, it's there, and I'm like, hello, but definitely lips, because you guys know I love my lip filler. So I was like, oh my god, like things that I have been like wanting, because I told him I want a new tattoo, I've been wanting lip filler. When he thinks about the things that I say and like clocks them in his memory, and it just means a lot to me, and I love you so much, Austin. I know you're not watching this. He's too busy to watch YouTube videos. He literally works so much. But he's honestly the sweetest man, and I love you so much. Mwah! Okay, so my parents got me this gift right here. It's huge, girl. And then they also got me this card. They gave me some cash. I'm not gonna say how much, but basically with the cash, I filled my vehicle full of gas. Canada is crazy for prices of things right now, so thank you so much for filling my tank. And this card is so cute. They also got me a gift card, which was very, very nice of them. And then my mom got me these, like stretchy, not jegging, like legging, but pinstriped with zippers right here. These pants, I thought they were very different from anything that I own. Love the high-waisted. I love, your girl loves high-waisted. So I haven't tried them on yet, which I should. And the brand is, oh, they're from Urban Planet. So that's that. Smells like coffee. Okay, so you guys know, for my little finale here, my parents, or my mom, I love trying new things. I love new food items. I love being like following all the food pages that have new food items on their pages. What's coming out, what's coming to Canada, what's new, what flavors are new, Oreos or treats or snacks. I just love trying new foods. So my mom loves like literally filling a bag with stuff that she thinks that I would like to try. So this isn't like, I'm not gonna eat all this and be a big back and like literally eat it all in one day or anything like that. The rest of this is literally snacks, like snacks that she thought were interesting. So I'm gonna go through these a little bit quicker to finish out with this. Let's do it, girl. Turtle chips in sweet corn flavor. I've tried these, love them. This tissue paper is so cute. Vanilla cupcake goldfish grams. Okay, this I do not know how to pronounce, but basically they are these, and they are a Holland, made in Holland. They're a Dutch dessert. Like what? We tried to pronounce this word and we all failed miserably, but I cannot wait to try it. She Googled it and I think it's like marzipan or something. Some Tic Tacs, Coffee Crisp and Kit Kat Pops, birthday cake Oreos for my birthday, matcha Pocky, love Pocky, 3 chocolate home-style Rice Krispie treats. Somebody's calling me. Hello? Also, I know you can see my bra through my shirt. Girl. 2 Galaxy Minstrels, cookies and cream Pocky. My mom's love language is giving gifts, snacks, feeding people that she loves. Just so you know, for anyone new here or if you don't know. Also, my dad is from the UK, so there's gonna be some like hidden UK gems in here, such as Curly Whirly, caramel Cadbury nibbles. I've never seen these before. I'm excited. Okay, these are cotton candy party cookies. Hershey's chocolate milkshake. Oh my god, these Nutella biscuits. I almost bought these at the grocery store when I was there, and I'm so glad I did. I was looking at them. I was like, $9.99? Hell no. But then my mom got these for me, and I was like, this falafel mix. My dad was like, I know that you love falafel and you love like making your own food and stuff like that. He's like, I don't think you ever made falafel, and I have not. So I cannot wait to make some falafel. These mini iced coffees and iced cappuccino. I think this is the coffee thing I'm smelling. This is hide and seek. Never heard of this. Cafe mocha. No, you know what I think it is this. Yup. This Tetley cinnamon chai. Yum. Oh, 2 hide and seeks. Had to hide and seek them. Okay, 3 things left. This matcha, 20 tea bags of matcha. This is gonna be gone in like a week. This Aero truffle brownie, and then this Ferrero Rocher white hazelnut. Yeah. Okay, so they also took me out for a beautiful, beautiful supper. Like, literally, they don't need to do this. Like, they took me out for a supper. They gave me cash, gift card, like, all this food, like, saying happy birthday to me. Like, it's just really, really sweet. So we went to a place called Earl's, and we just had so much fun. We ate such good food. My brother was there. So I was documenting it on my Snapchat. So follow me on Snapchat if you guys want to see, like, behind the scenes or things beforehand or things that I don't show on YouTube. And somebody said, like, your birthday has been, like, a week over because my birthday was on a Friday, and this was like the Saturday after, so like a week after, and somebody was like, stop like celebrating. And then another person said, like, why do you make yourself a birthday month? You're 34, like, stop giving yourself a birthday month. Your birthday's over. I just wanted to like not to like harp on hate comments or anything like that, but I just wanted to say that my family could not get together on my actual birthday. My birthday, Austin had plans for me. He was working all day, and on the weekend of my birthday, my brother was busy. My brother couldn't do it, and then during the week, he lives out of town, so he doesn't even live in the city that we live in, so he really can't do like a supper or like a late night thing unless it's the weekend. So we just waited till the next weekend after to celebrate my birthday with my family. So that's the reasoning. I know I don't have to give a reasoning as to why and everything like that, I understand, but I just wanted to like let you guys know that that's why I had my birthday weekend with myself, with Austin, with some friends and other people in my life, and then the next weekend after, when everyone could get together and their schedules aligned, then we had my birthday celebration. But my birthday's over now. I had a great time. Thank you guys so much for watching this, and I love you guys, and I hope you guys, whenever your birthday, if your birthday already passed this year, happy birthday. And if your birthday's coming up, you can request a cameo for me and I could say happy birthday, or if you have somebody in your life who watches my videos, or if you want to give them a birthday shout out, I could do that as well on Cameo. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys again, and thank you guys for still watching me after all these years. I'm literally 34 and I'm still going strong. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah. Don't forget to keep being yourself, keep being you no matter what, and stay true to yourself. I love you. Mwah.